Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your move on Candy Crush. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Candy Crush game and tap on the play button to start playing any level. Now in order to increase your moves, there are two different ways. Once you select a level, you can tap on the option to watch advertisement before you play the game and try your luck. If you're lucky, then you will gain additional moves at the very beginning. Otherwise, you may get other rewards, like the one that you see on this screen right now. You can then start playing your game and then continue with trying to solve the puzzle. You can simply go ahead and proceed with trying to beat the game to the best of your abilities. However, if you're unable to beat the game with the number of moves that you have been provided, then you will once again see an option to watch an ad or use your gold reserves in order to gain additional moves. So you can either watch the advertisement and continue watching to get 5 additional moves, or you can use your gold reserves. Once you feel like you have enough moves to beat the game, you can tap on the play button or watch more ads to add more moves. And now, hopefully, with these additional moves, you will be able to solve the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to increase the number of moves on your Candy Crush game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.